Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to talk about zesting citrus fruit, or rather, how to zest citrus fruit. First of all, I've got my microplane. Now, if you'll notice, when God made these things, he put a little divot right here. That's for holding all of our zest. Now, it's a bit of a pet peeve of mine when I see zesting this fashion. If we go like this, I'm gonna put too much pressure on the microplane, and I'll start to get the white part, which is the pith, which is bitter. All I want is the yellow part, which has all the essential oils. So, if I turn my microplane this way, the way it was meant to be used, and gently pull across the top of my citrus fruit, I'm going to get only the colored part, leaving behind all of the pith, which is the bitter part. Then, it gathers ever so nicely in my microplane. And that's just the tip, just the boom. Is it in the shot? Can I go again? And that's, this bibbidi bobbidi boo thing is not working. And that's boom, just the tip. I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know, what tips do you need?